DJI Pocket 2 waterproof case provide waterproof for the gimbal, allowing you to capture amazing shots even underwater. Before using, make sure the waterproof case is dry and clean, and the waterproof rubber ring is secure and will not fall off. Pay special attention to make sure there are no small objects or buildup inside the securing ring or waterproof rubber ring. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn on the DJI Pocket 2. In camera view, swipe down the touchscreen to enter the menu. Find and tap the settings icon and tap Accessories to display the shortcut for waterproof case mode. In camera view, swipe down the touchscreen. Swipe right to find waterproof case mode icon and tap to enable. Power off DJI Pocket 2 following the notification. Loosen the securing ring, detach the cover and clamp. Place DJI Pocket 2 in the waterproof case, and attach the anti-fog insert. Use the clamp to secure DJI Pocket 2 and completely tighten the securing ring. Press and hold button 1 to power on DJI Pocket 2, and you are ready to start your underwater shooting. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.